Ladies and gentlemen, if you've got a very busy Confluence account, I'm going to show you how you can actually filter down and search and find whatever it is you need. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do have a very busy Confluence dashboard, then you would like to maybe search and filter out certain things. So quite simply, you can see that there is a search bar here, and you can literally go ahead and you can type whatever it is that you would like to type in, and you can get whatever you want. But let's say that you've got a very, very full Confluence, and here you want to go down to advanced search. Now, once you're in advanced search, you can see here that we've got a couple filters to help you filter down what exactly you're looking for. So you can change the space, you can change who it was edited or created by, you can also change when it was last updated, the type of document or the type of item it is, the content that it will fall under. You can also change the label, whether it's verified or not verified, and then you can search title only or only archived content. Once you have gone through all of the filters, you can pretty much filter out so you can find exactly what it is that you're looking for. It tells you the title of the item, the creator or editor, when it was last updated, and also tells you a little bit more about the item. You can go ahead and search through your entire Confluence just like this.